So, Jyoti, here we are at the Center for Solar Excellence with all this impressive tracker system, this amazing hardware, but you work in software. I'm curious where that fits in with all of this.
Zeke, you'll be surprised how software is at the center of all of this, because software's work begins even before the system is designed. Software to make sure it's installed correctly and it's commissioned fast and then operates very, very efficiently, because efficiency at the core of their business. And you want to make sure there is advanced software through and through the project lifecycle.
You mentioned how software supports the design of a site. Can you tell me more about that?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Software is so essential to design of these systems because these are complicated systems, Zeke. And now that Nextpower offers foundations, trackers, power conversion, energy storage, and eBOS, they need to be designed together as an integrated system, and software is essential for that in saving millions of dollars for the customer.
So imagine we're on a 500 megawatt site. There's boxes everywhere, materials being shipped. How does NX1 translate into real value for the customer?
The need for power right now due to AI and electrification, customers are under immense pressure to build these projects quickly. Time is money, and that's where NX1 comes in. It drives efficiency throughout, through design, through deployment, through operations.
And so it sounds like the integration of all these systems together equals ease of install, money saved,
Yes,
happy customer.
absolutely. That support continues through construction. Based on feedback from EPCs, NX1 portal helps teams track shipments, locate components on site, and quickly find the materials they need. And customers increasingly want to work with us because we are giving them this whole platform that they can rely on to build their system. And we're constantly getting feedback from them.
So this is really driven by the customer. This is a customer feedback loop.
Absolutely. We talk to customers, understand their needs, and then we continue to add functionality.
So you've touched on how software supports the build out of the site. Is that where software's involvement ends?
Far from it. NX1 is the system that our customers will be using to operate their projects. One of the benefits that customers love allows them to protect their project from extreme weather conditions such as hail. Insurance providers, interestingly, also love the benefit of NX1 because it reduces risk. So it's a win-win.
If you could explain NX1 in one sentence, what would you say?
I would say NX1 is the platform that connects design, construction, and operations all in one platform.
I'm very excited to see it. I'm excited for you. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Zeke.